Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create just E8 account in UK. So for this you have to go to the Google Chrome browser. For finding it in the start button, then you have to search for the site. You have to search in the Just Eat from here, and if you click on the Just Eat, it will take you to this page. And once you are here, you have to make sure in the location you have chosen the United Kingdom, and then you have to click on the three dot option from here. Then here you have to choose the create account, and after that here you can just easily type in your name, email, password and password as well. And also you can go through with Google, and also you can go through with your Facebook. So if I'm just going to create an account just random, then if you just for example, I'm giving my name to Delta, and for email address we can just copy my own email address from here. So we are going to copy our email address. So, and I'm also typing here, or no work 2025 at rate gmail.com. And then you can just use a random passwords, and then you can just copy it and paste it to another tab for if it need in the future purpose. Then if you click on create account, after that it will take a couple of seconds, and here you can see it's already loading according to your internet speed. It will load, and here you can see it's already loading now, and we're waiting for that to get loaded. And here you can see we have already created our account, and here you can see you will get all the options from here. Here you can see we have already got the message that we have already created an account. And then if you click on the three line option from here, and here you will get up all the option: redeem a gift card, become a courier, and other option. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.